Today was not the day to take a cool shower to cool off in Hamilton. Hamilton is the county seat in Marion County in West Alabama, and the city has declared a state of emergency. Over the last 24 hours, water customers have been asked to conserve water, and city schools were forced to close today. ABC 3340's Austin Pratt is working for you tonight to see what's being done to remedy the situation.
The water tower is easily visible from Interstate 22 as you roll through Hamilton. This massive structure, along with 9 ground storage tanks, hold 3.4 million gallons of water that runs through 195 miles of pipe, serving customers like Michaela Malushi, who is prepared for this shortage.
Well, at home we do drink a lot of water, bottled water, so our refrigerator is stocked full of that.
She says her business operates on little water and will stay open, but is concerned for others.
I'm hoping as a community we can come together and support businesses, neighbors, everybody around us that do need help or not have water bottles.
The city recognizes the lifeline, which is why a state of emergency was issued, asking for customers to conserve. The stop to purification caused by a dam breaking upstream and its contents flowing into the river.
It let a tremendous amount of water flow into the Buttahatchee with the sediment, and we're having to wait for it to clear up. So it's going to cause the city to run out of water this afternoon.
Mayor Page says they hope to be purifying more water again on Sunday afternoon.
And it looks like it may last for 3 to 4 days before we can get enough water purified and back into the tanks and the system so that we can serve our customers.
But even as customers are asked to conserve, allowing the river time to calm, steps are being taken to ensure those who need water can get access, perhaps not from a tap, but a bottle.
We'll have a one-way street on Buccaneer Street that will be flowing south only, and people will drive by and pick up cases of water as their needs may be.
Water will also be available at the rec center and fire stations. The city will also have tanker trucks available for people to fill containers. In Hamilton, Austin Pratt, ABC 3340 News.
And people experiencing this shortage that are physically unable to drive to the water pickup can call the fire department tomorrow to get water delivered to them.